Are you considering a trip to Barbados, but don't know where to start? Look no further. We've got you covered with this beginner's travel guide to Barbados. First things first, you'll want to know when to go. The best time to visit? Barbados is during the dry season, which runs from December to April. This is when you can expect beautiful sunny days and low humidity. If you're looking to avoid the crowds and high prices, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of May, June, or October, November. Now, let's talk about where to stay. The west coast of Barbados is known for its luxurious resorts, calm waters, and stunning sunsets, making it a popular choice for tourists. If you're looking for a livelier atmosphere with plenty of restaurants, bars, and nightlife, the south coast is the place to be. The east coast, on the other hand, is more rugged and less developed, perfect for those seeking a more off-the-beaten-path experience. As for things to do, Barbados has something for everyone. You can spend your days lounging on the beautiful beaches, exploring the historic capital of Bridgetown, or visiting the iconic Harrison's Cave. If you're a water sports enthusiast, you'll love the opportunities for snorkeling, surfing, and paddleboarding. When it comes to food, Barbados has a rich culinary scene influenced by a mix of cultures. Don't leave the island without trying some local favorites like flying fish, cuckoo and pepper pot, and of course, no trip to Barbados is complete without sipping on some rum, as the island is famous for its rum distilleries and tours. In terms of getting around, renting a car is a popular option for exploring the island at your own pace. If you prefer to rely on public transportation, the bus system is affordable and reliable. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to traveling to Barbados. With its beautiful beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture, Barbados is sure to leave a lasting impression on any traveler.